What's up guys? So in today's video we are going to be eating a Domino's pizza. Hi you guys, so I'm so excited. Today we are doing a mukbang. We got Domino's. I have it right here. I have my little ranches. I got some chicken and then I got a pizza. Let's just set this up. This is going to be my first mukbang of the year. I'm also in my bedroom currently filming because I didn't feel like filming in my normal location. So let's set all this up. Honestly amazing. This is a little chicken that I got. I'm literally sitting on the edge of my bed, like actually going to fall off. I'm sitting on the headboard part of my bed, not even the actual bed because my bed's too high. But I wanted to film my room today. I just feel like the lighting's kind of like better in here, and a lot of you guys said that you did like my mukbang last time when I did film in my room. So today we are eating Domino's. I am so excited. This is my first mukbang for 2020. It is currently midnight and I just ordered this pizza, just got ready. I was supposed to get ready today at 2 p.m. and I didn't get ready until 9 p.m. But you know, we're here. We're gonna do a mukbang. I have been craving Domino's pizza for the last 5 days, and I've told myself, Maddie, do not order it, do not order it. Like, whenever you go to order it, film a video, make a video out of it. Like, you literally don't need to eat pizza unless you make a mukbang, basically is what I was saying. I order Domino's a lot, and I usually don't like Domino's, but recently when I get this pepperoni and the sausage pizza, she's been hitting the spot. So she's been my go-to order recently. And then I usually also get bread, but I didn't get bread this time. I got the specialty chicken. It looks like this. So yeah, I'm really excited. Today I've consumed ramen noodles. That's all I've eaten because I was just really excited for this and I didn't want to eat super unhealthy earlier. Okay, dipped it in ranch. First bite. So good. What is your guys' favorite pizza to eat? I'm eating with lipstick on today. And lip gloss. Which usually if you eat with just lipstick, it's not that bad. But like when you eat with lip gloss on, she transfers. So I'm hoping that she don't transfer today. But what is your guys' favorite pizza? Topping wise, this is definitely mine. So freaking good. The sausages are literally huge today. One of my like 2020 plans this year is to make more mukbangs. I want to know, do you guys want like mukbangs? Like, do you want me to make a different mukbang channel, or would you rather just have all the videos on this channel? I feel like a lot of YouTubers have separate channels for separate things. But for me personally, I feel like it's just easier to be subscribed to one channel and just have all the videos on there. That's personally how I like it. Like, I like watching other YouTubers that just literally have all their videos on one channel. I don't have to sit there and subscribe to 8 different channels, you know? But let me know, do you guys want me to make like a specific mukbang ASMR channel? I don't know. Domino's, if you're watching this, I love you. Please send me a gift card, but can you change your ranch recipe? It's really not that good. It's alright. I'm basically a ranch ass bitch and I just love ranch. So, when a restaurant has good ranch, I hella appreciate it. It just makes me want to come to you like 9 million times more, you know? I love how I have both dogs on each of my side. This is my child right here. This right here is Bianca's child. She's neglecting her for 2 weeks while she's in California. So I'm babysitting her. So me and Paris and Chanel are having sleepovers for the next 2 weeks. You allowed to sleepovers? But honestly, Paris loves being here more than, you know, the apartment that she lives in, because you know, here I got a big ass backyard, she can run around, she has friends. At the apartment that she lives at, The bitch sleeps all day and she's sad, so she loves when she comes here. So honestly, like, ew. Did you guys like hear that? Why did I do that? Why did I make that crunch noise? Okay. This one's an alright piece. I was like, ma'am, I should have got my fucking bread. What is your guys' favorite pizza brand? Like, when you order pizza, do you order one of the typical like Papa John's, Domino's, Pizza Hut? Or do you have any like local ones that you really like? There's a pizza place that's in Arizona. It is called Napoli's and it's so good. Like, it's literally so good. And I've been, honestly, I feel like I should grab them from the front versus the back because you can't even see that I'm grabbing any of the pizzas from the back. Oh my god, I just ripped it. Yeah, it's literally so amazing. I've basically been going there since I was little. My stomach just growled because I really haven't consumed a meal today. I mean, I've had ramen noodles, but I literally ate like 3 bites of those and then I decided, no, I'm gonna just wait until I eat Domino's. Yeah, wow, this chicken's actually like really not good. And this stuff is always good. I want to do this new thing where I feel like there's a lot of mukbangers that like even if the food doesn't taste that good, they still eat it or they still say that it tastes good because I feel like nobody wants to watch a mukbanger that's just sitting there complaining about the food the whole entire time. And so I'm really trying not to complain about this chicken, but like, am I supposed to sit here and lie and say that it's good today and being like, you know? I honestly never thought I was going to end up filming this video. I told myself today that I was going to get ready at 2 p.m. Well, didn't get ready until like, I think like 9 or 10. It was around that time. I was just doing like a lot of other things. I wasn't like lazy all day, which is surprising. Usually I'm just lazy when I don't want to do my makeup. But I cleaned my room and then I cleaned outside because like I had to clean up a bunch of trash like in the backyard. What's your guys' order from Domino's? I usually get bread, but I wanted to like switch it up and get chicken. I also just typed in Domino's mukbang on YouTube and literally everyone gets like boneless things with their pizza. And so I was like, I'm gonna go on the trend. I'm gonna do what everyone likes to watch apparently because like these videos are usually really popular. I'm not exactly sure what my next mukbang video is going to be, but in my cleaning room video, I like showed these spicy noodles that I had. They're the new ones, like the ones that aren't as spicy and they're less calories and all that stuff. A lot of you in my other video said that you wanted to see that, but I want to ask you guys on an actual mukbang video, so like people that actually watch mukbangs. Would you guys like to see that video? I've been for a while wanting to do like a spicy noodles and Cane's mukbang because like I love spicy noodles and I love Cane's chicken. So that video might be coming soon. I was supposed to film it in December with Bianca, and then she was literally gone the whole entire month. And guess what? She's literally gone for the whole entire month again this month, so might have to do it alone. But she just loves spicy noodles, and so I kind of want to include her in that video. Sometimes I just like want to rip the crust off the pizza and like just eat it. This piece right here is literally all sauce. I cannot stand when there's an excess amount of pizza sauce on something. It freaks me out. I feel like I'm just kind of like a ratio type of girl. Like everything has to be even. Like if I'm eating a chicken sandwich, like the chicken has to completely cover the bun. Like one part of the chicken, I mean one part of the sandwich cannot have more chicken than the other. Like does anyone else get that way, or am I just freaking weird? I feel like there's honestly a lot of people that are like that. Like they gotta have ratios with their food. I don't know. Could just be me. It probably is just me. I hope it's not just me. What are you guys' 2020 goals and resolutions this year? What are you guys trying to accomplish? I'm trying to become more productive and make a routine. I'm also just trying to become more of like a happier person. I feel like I am a happy person a majority of the time, but I don't know, I get in these moods and I feel like everyone gets in these moods. It's not just me, where you're just legit sad for no reason. You literally don't know what you're doing. Like right now I'm kind of in that stuck, like what am I doing with my life? Like literally what am I doing with my life? Like I've thought about going back to school, even though I literally like went to college, had a bad experience, left, it fucking traumatized me. I'm thinking about going maybe back to online just to get a degree, just fucking say that I have a degree and be like, bitch, I have a fucking degree, you know? But then yet again, like whenever I left college, like the first time I literally had to like pay my way out of it. And it was so much money, and I just don't think I want to do it again. But I've been bored and I feel like I don't have a routine, and like I want to go back and get a normal job only because like I'm literally so bored and I don't do anything. It's boring. Like honestly, I don't know what the fuck I was just talking about. What the fuck was I just talking about? While I was waiting for my pizza to come, I was filming TikToks, so go follow me on TikTok, because by the time that you see these videos, those TikToks will probably be uploaded. I'm uploading this video tomorrow, which is Tuesday is when you guys will see it. What's today? Today's Monday. Yeah, you're going to see it on Tuesday, and so I think I'm posting my TikToks tomorrow morning. That's if they're good. That's if Bianca approves them. I always have to like screen record my TikToks and be like, you think this is okay to post? But that's literally how Bianca is. And like Bianca will send me like a TikTok dance that she did, but the bitch will send me like 5 different versions, and I'm like, bitch, I don't remember the first version, okay? But I want to become a TikToker this year. Like that's literally on my whole like overall goals plan, is to literally do TikTok. Not even like, oh gee bitch, you need to get so famous on TikTok. I just like, TikTok is the biggest social media app right now, and I'm just like not using it. I'm not really utilizing it, and like I need to use it. So yeah, every single time I post a TikTok, like low-key goes off. Like people, like a decent amount of people watch it. Like TikTok, can you just make me famous? Like literally put all of my TikToks on the For You page, please. Like I literally hashtag For You page. Like why are you not putting it on? Yeah, honestly, I'm just literally leaving this chicken. This actually was a waste of money. I really want to eat it and I want to force myself to eat it, but like honestly, like I just show my facial expressions too much that I would be sitting here literally taking a bite and being like, it tastes really good, it fucking tastes really good. That would be me. And it's really bad. I wish my face wasn't like that. I really wish I didn't show like my emotion too much in my face. I feel like I ate 3 pizzas. I realistically only ate 3 slices. I think it's because I'm on my period, and so I'm really bloated right now, and so I just feel a lot fuller than I normally am, you know? The other day though, I ordered myself a medium Domino's pizza and I literally finished the whole thing except for 2 slices. And I never do that. I literally never do that. I don't know what the hell was on me. Like the other day, bitch, I was hungry. I feel like me drinking from this water bottle is so gonna look sponsored, but it's literally not. I've actually had this water bottle for a whole entire year. I don't mukbang enough to be sponsored by Coldest Water. Although they did send that water bottle to me, I feel like I'm not a mukbangery enough for them. I don't know. So yeah, you guys, I think this is going to be it for my mukbang. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like I talked more in this one than I have been in my recent ones. I really just wanted to like kind of like talk with you guys, eat with you. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys were eating while I was eating this. If you guys were eating Domino's, wow, twins, I love that. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys would like to see from me next, whether that be mukbangs or just other videos, vlogs, any of that stuff. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the little bell so you guys be notified when I post a video. Also, do not forget to follow me on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat so you guys can see what I'm doing when I'm not posting a video. Follow me on TikTok. Go comment on my newest TikTok, because literally, I swear, my TikTok should be up. If you're watching this video, you made it this far, you saw my outro, go comment on my recent TikTok, pizza. We'll see which one of you guys are true fans, honestly. We'll see. When I get a pizza comment, I'm gonna love that person and they're gonna become my best friend. So, yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye, guys.